Hey there, word explorers, and welcome back. We've covered some absolutely amazing words lately, and you know what that means. It's time for the ultimate challenge. Get hyped for the mega recap quiz. This is where we find out who's really been paying attention.
Okay, let's get right into it. Here's how it's going to work. We've got 4 awesome rounds, and each one's a little different. So go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pen, because you're definitely going to want to keep score. Ready? Let's find out who's going to be our next word wizard.
All right, first up, round 1 is Word Whirl. It's super simple. I'll read a meaning, and you guess the word. Each correct answer gets you 2 points. You ready? Let's go.
Okay, question 1. A lucky or chance discovery. Think about stumbling upon something wonderful completely by accident. What's that word?
And the answer is serendipity. Yes, like when you find money in your jeans that you totally forgot about. That's pure serendipity. Give yourself 2 points if you got it.
Okay, next one. Having mixed or uncertain feelings. You know that feeling? You kind of want to go out, but you also kind of want to stay home and chill? What do we call that?
The word is ambivalent. If you got that, nice one. That can be a tricky one for sure. Go ahead and add 2 more points to your score.
All right, question 3. What do you call someone who's very attentive to detail? The kind of person who notices everything.
That would be fastidious. If you got that right, you might just be a little fastidious yourself. 2 more points on the board.
Okay, last question for this round. What's a word for someone who is wise and shows good judgment? You know, the person everyone goes to for advice.
And the answer is sagacious. Awesome job. That's the end of round 1. Go ahead and add up your points. You could have up to 8 so far, and let's get ready for the next round.
Okay, here we go. Round 2, spell it right. This time, it's all about the spelling. I'll give you a clue, and you spell out the word. And listen to this. These are worth 3 points each. So let's do it.
Our first word is all about secrets. Things done in the shadows. Think of a plan that's kept under wraps. How do you spell it?
The word is clandestine. That's spelled C-L-A-N-D-E-S-T-I-N-E. If you spelled that right, that's 3 big points for you.
All right, the next one is a real puzzle. It describes something, or someone, that's just hard to figure out. A total mystery. Can you spell it? And the word is enigmatic. Spelled E-N-I-G-M-A-T-I-C. Fantastic. 3 more points in the bag if you got that one. Last one for the spelling round, and it's a great one. It describes a total change, from one thing to another, like a caterpillar into a butterfly. You know this one. How do you spell it?
That's right, it's Metamorphosis. M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-O-S-I-S. What a great word. Okay, that's it for round 2. Add up your score out of 9 for this round and get ready for what's next.
Time to put on your detective hats for round 3, decode the clue. I'm going to give you an emoji and a little hint. You've got to crack the code and find the word. 3 points for every mystery you solve.
First clue. This is all about being a good sport. It's when you're generous and forgiving, even to someone you were just competing against. What's that word?
And the word is magnanimous. Such a powerful word. 3 points for you if you figured that one out.
Next up, this clue's a little cloudy. Think about an idea that's not quite solid yet. It's still a bit fuzzy, a bit vague. What word are we looking for?
The word is nebulous, right? Perfect for a hazy kind of idea. 3 more points for you if you saw through the fog on that one.
Okay, last clue of the round. This word describes those funny little habits or quirks that make us who we are. We all have them. What is it?
And the word is idiosyncrasy. Another fantastic word to wrap up the round. Add up your points. That's another 9 up for grabs. Get ready, because we're heading into the final round.
This is it, everybody. The final round, fill the blank. The stakes are high here. I'll give you a sentence with a missing word, and you have to fill it in. And get this, each one is worth 4 points. This round could change everything.
Okay, first sentence. A situation we've all been in, right? She was at a crossroads, facing a really tough, puzzling problem about her future. What's the word?
The word is conundrum. A tricky situation is a conundrum. 4 massive points if you got it.
All right, next. This one's about being really eager and ready to go. He didn't wait, he just jumped right in, accepting the task with great, what?
The word is alacrity. He accepted with great alacrity. It just means cheerful readiness. 4 more points for you. We are rolling now. This is it, the very last question of our quiz. Think of an author who just writes book after book after book. They were a writing machine. Highly what?
And the final word is prolific. What a perfect way to end. And just like that, you've done it. The quiz is over. Now it's the moment of truth. Total your marks for this round out of 12, and let's get those final scores.
Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to see how you did. Add up your scores from all 4 rounds. The grand total is out of 38 points. Let's see who our word wizards are.
So, where did you end up? Are you a budding learner, a word explorer, or did you reach the top as a full-fledged word wizard? No matter what, you should be super proud. Every single point is a win on this journey.
Seriously, no matter your final score, you all did an amazing job today. You showed up, you tried your best, and you love language. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being awesome.
And that's our breakdown for today. If you're passionate about finding better ways to learn and you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Nestlingua. Thanks so much for watching.